You will oftentimes hear people say that you are not defined by your results, but rather your goals, ambitions, and dreams. Same goes for your looks. Society will tell you, "Oh, you are perfect the way you look. You don't need to change yourself." That might be true for pets and women, but as a man you truly are defined by your results, looks, and so on. Everything that sounds vain is exactly what society uses to judge you. Even though they might say something totally different to this, but these are the standards they use to judge and make a first impression about you. As a high-value man, you need to understand these brutal truths if you want to thrive. Of course, you don't need to get your looks and results in check just to satisfy society. Because remember, we don't do it for them. We do it firstly for God, and then for ourselves. With that said, here are 4 dark, but real truths that you must keep in your mind at all times. Some of these you may not understand today, but as life goes on, you will begin to develop a greater appreciation for them. Number 1. If a place, person, or situation doesn't suit you, then leave. Do you know why high-value men are high-value in the first place? Because they have low tolerance for things that don't align with their goals. You won't find them hanging out at the pub or wasting their time with a woman who nags them all the time. There's a saying that time is money. If you have ever been around millionaires or people who make a lot of money, they will tell you how valuable time is. Not only in philosophical sense, but literally time is money. Learn to use it to your advantage. Not only millionaires, but if you have ever been around someone on their deathbed, what do you think they regret the most? Most of the time, it's about not utilizing their time to do what meant the most to them. So whether it's a girl you love or a place you have been multiple times, but if they don't serve your purpose, then leave. As a man, learn to live a life with no regrets. Number 2. Never complain. Fix it. It's so common in today's day and age to become a complainer. Every other person hates their job. Every other person hates their wife, their kids, their life. We live in a world full of jealousy, hatred, and envy. Just because you saw an Instagram story of someone traveling the world, all of a sudden your life is not worth. You start believing that what God has blessed you with right now is not enough. Living in this cycle of jealousy and envy will rot you from the inside out. So never complain about anything. Never say, "Oh, Monday is coming. I will have to go to work again." Look at the homeless people around you who would wish to be in the situation you are in right now, to be at the job you are, to have a roof over their head, to have a family to go to. If you want to live a better life, then instead of complaining, begin making a better life. If you don't like your current job, then gather the necessary skills to level up to better job or start your own business. But remember, complaining is for the weak. A masculine and grounded man laughs in the face of trouble because he knows anything is achievable with the right mindset, skills, and above all, the grace of God. Number 3. Don't react to people's nonsense. It is inevitable that we will all come across some people who will get on our nerves. They might do or say something that will make you want to react aggressively. But a part of being grounded means to not hold grudge against anyone. Simply understand that it's a part of their nature to behave like this, and don't take anything personally. Just like in a fight. If you are in a boxing match, the worst thing you can do is to get in your emotions and begin fighting aggressively. By doing this, you forget all the tactics you have learned of how to fight, and let your emotions take the better of you. I want you to listen to this analogy. Let's say you had $86,400 in your bank account, and someone stole $10 from you. Would you get upset and throw the remaining amount of $86,390 away? No. Similarly, we have 86,400 seconds each day. Don't let a negative 10 seconds ruin your entire day. When people behave in a negative way, keep your mouth shut and look at them as if they are carrying out a performance, almost as if you are in a cinema and watching the actor play out their character scene. Simply observe and move on, because just like you learned in truth number 1, whatever doesn't serve you must be put behind you. The Bible says in Proverbs chapter 26, verse 4, "Do not answer a fool according to his foolishness, or you will also be like him." Truth number 4. Don't neglect your family. As a man who is driven by his ambitions and goals, it's very easy to go on a hunting spree, where the only thing on your mind is your goals. This could be how to make more money, how to look the best you can, how to provide the most value to others as possible, even though that's all well and good, but your family needs your attention as well. There's a saying that you should never forget the person who has been with you from day one. Most of the times, this is your own family. Most men only realize this once they lose their family or someone close to them. They try and make up for it by visiting their grave, doing the things that their family would have wanted them to do. But then it's too late. So start now. They are the real ones who have been with you and will continue to stand beside you. In America especially, most men don't have a solid relationship with their family because the traditional family virtues has all been lost. This might mean that you don't go well with your mother, father, or brothers. In this case, don't complain. Fix it. Try to reach out a friendly hand, which might seem hard at first. Or worst case, continue living your own best life while knowing that you tried everything you could to get your family together. Once again, the principle kicks in, that you must live a life of no regrets. So brothers, remember, a man is only as good as the role model he looks up to. Make no man your role model, but look to God. You might not believe in God, but look on the characteristics of God. For example, he is wise, he keeps his words, he fights for the weak. Slowly by slowly, begin to build your reality, a reality that will not give you any regrets in life. By the way, don't forget to subscribe. Tap that subscribe button and hit like for the algorithm. To see the next best way to level up as a man, watch these videos here.